Let's look at a very brief intro to solving equations. We'll start with some basic definitions. A variable is a letter or symbol that acts as a placeholder for a number. Oftentimes, we'll use the letter X to represent the unknown, but it could be really any letter or symbol. A constant is a number that stands alone. A term is a variable, a constant, or the product of a variable and a constant. A coefficient is the number factor of a variable term. An expression is a sum or difference of terms. An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. Solving an equation is the process of isolating the variable. To get the variable by itself, we undo the operations performed on the variable. In these examples, we want to find the value of the variable. Up first, we have negative 7x. Remember, when you see a number beside a variable, it's understood to be multiplication. So this is negative 7 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we want to divide by negative 7. And if we do it on the left side of the equal sign, we need to do it on the right side as well. Whenever you do something to the left side, we have to do the same thing on the right side of the equation to keep it balanced. Now we have negative 7x divided by negative 7. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1. And we bring down the x. On the right side, we have negative 21 divided by negative 7. That's simply 3. Oftentimes in algebra, when we have a 1 out front, we don't actually write it. We would write it like this: x equals 3. And there's an understood 1 that's right here. There's nothing wrong if you want to put a 1 there, but just do be aware in the future we'll almost never see it. It'll be written like this, and we just understand that there's a 1 out front. In example B, we have 2/3 x equals negative 18. Again, when a number is beside a variable, it's multiplication. So this is 2/3 times x. To undo multiplication, we divide. So we'll divide by 2/3. But we need to do it on the right side as well. 2/3 divided by 2/3 is 1, and we're left with x. And remember, we don't have to put a 1 there. We can just make it x. There's an understood 1 here. And now negative 18 divided by 2/3. Let's do that off to the side, show our work. Negative 18 divided by 2/3. If it helps you, you can think of the negative 18 as negative 18 over a 1. And remember, when we have a fraction divided by a fraction, we keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction the same, change to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now it's multiplication. Now we can reduce before we multiply. Looking at 18 and 2, they have a common factor of 2. 2 goes into itself once. 2 goes into 18 9 times. We now have 9 times 3, which is 27. And we have 1 times 1, which is 1. We don't need to write that in the denominator. We have negative times a positive, which is a negative. So x is negative 27.